Welcome back, Mellow Minds. In part 1 of this message, you learned the basics of the chakra system. In part 2, you learned how to identify a blocked chakra and now know that balancing chakras is a meditative practice that requires focus and skilled breathing. You've followed our recommendation and are well prepared. You've begun shifting your mindset to positivity with our 7-day weekly planner and pairing that with improving your breathing techniques with our decompression whistle. You're even using both daily for best results. Wow. All right, so let's jump into this long-awaited post. How do we clear a blocked chakra? If you think you're ready, purchase our guide on our site and follow up along in this video. As mentioned in part 1, there are 7 chakras in the body. Let's break it down one by one. Clearing a blocked chakra involves various practices to restore balance, energy flow, and harmony. First, let's start with the root chakra. Grounding exercises, such as walking barefoot on grass or meditating with grounding crystals like hematite or black tourmaline, can help reconnect with the earth's energy. Physical activities like yoga poses targeting the root chakra, such as mountain pose or child's pose, can also aid in releasing blockages. Engaging in activities that promote a sense of safety and security, such as spending time in nature or practicing mindfulness, can further support the clearing process. Seeking guidance from a holistic practitioner or energy healer for personalized techniques may also be beneficial. Next, we have the sacral chakra. One effective method is through meditation focused on the sacral chakra, visualizing a warm orange light cleansing and energizing the area. Engaging in creative activities such as painting, dancing, or writing can help release stagnant energy and stimulate the sacral chakra. Practicing yoga poses that target the sacral area, such as hip opening asanas, can also aid in clearing blockages. Additionally, working with sacral chakra crystals like carnelian or orange calcite and incorporating affirmations related to creativity and emotional expression can support the clearing process. Next, we have the solar plexus chakra. Engaging in activities that boost self-confidence, such as positive affirmations and setting boundaries, can help address issues related to personal power and self-esteem. Practicing mindfulness and meditation to release negative emotions and promote inner strength is beneficial. Physical exercises like yoga poses targeting the solar plexus area can also aid in clearing blockages. Working with yellow crystals like citrine or tiger's eye, which resonate with the solar plexus chakra, can further support the clearing process. Seeking guidance from energy healers or holistic practitioners can provide additional assistance in restoring harmony to the solar plexus chakra. Next, we have the heart chakra. Engaging in self-care activities, such as practicing self-love and forgiveness, can help release emotional blockages. Opening up to compassion and empathy towards oneself and others is essential in healing the heart chakra. Meditation, deep breathing exercises, and yoga poses like the camel pose can aid in releasing stagnant energy. Working with heart chakra crystals like rose quartz or green aventurine can also help in balancing the chakra. Seeking support from a therapist, energy healer, or practicing heart-centered activities can further facilitate the clearing of a blocked heart chakra. Next, we have the throat chakra. Engaging in activities that promote self-expression, such as singing, chanting, or journaling, can help release pent-up energy and emotions. Practicing mindful breathing exercises and yoga poses that focus on the throat area can also aid in clearing blockages. Using throat chakra crystals like blue lace agate or aquamarine can amplify the healing process. Seeking support from a therapist, energy healer, or participating in sound therapy sessions can further facilitate the clearing of the throat chakra. Consistent practice and intention towards open communication and authentic expression are key in restoring balance to this energy center. Next, we have the third eye chakra. To clear the third eye chakra, one can engage in various practices such as meditation, visualization, and energy healing techniques. Meditation helps to calm the mind and focus on the third eye chakra, located between the eyebrows. Visualizing a bright indigo light at this point can help to activate and balance the chakra. Energy healing techniques like Reiki or crystal healing with crystals such as amethyst and lapis lazuli can also be beneficial in clearing blockages and restoring balance to the third eye chakra. Additionally, spending time in nature, practicing mindfulness, and keeping a journal to reflect on intuitive insights can further support the clearing of the third eye chakra. Finally, we have the crown chakra. Visualizing a bright white or violet light pouring into the crown chakra can help to release blockages and restore flow of energy. Using crystals such as clear quartz or amethyst, which are associated with the crown chakra, can also aid in clearing blockages. Energy healing modalities like Reiki or sound therapy can further support the clearing of the crown chakra by removing stagnant energy and promoting balance. We hope you enjoyed this information. It's important to note that the journey doesn't end by clearing a blocked chakra. We must work to keep the energy flowing, like a river. Have you seen Avatar? Enjoy our guide to clearing blocked chakras. Maintain your positive mindset with our 7-day weekly planner and keep up your breathing skills with our decompression whistle. Happy meditating, Mellow Minds. Follow Mellow Mental on social media for more content.